Hi, in this video, let me show you how to reset your Epson EcoTank ET-3950 or ET-3958 printer. So let's get started. Over here, we're going to press the home button, and then we need to navigate using this control panel towards the right side until we select settings. Then you're going to go down, restore default settings, press OK. Here we can reset a few different things, including only the Wi-Fi, only the copy machine, only the scanner. But if you want to do a full factory reset, you need to select the last option, which is clear all data and settings. Press OK. It will ask you clear all data and restore default settings. It may take several minutes. Continue. Press the right side arrow and then press OK, and it will begin. As it says here, it can take a few seconds or a few minutes. And at the end, your printer will be like a brand new one, the same way you found it out of the box when you purchase it. This is great to fix in many different issues. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.